Now, the Federal Reserve is likely to keep rates unchanged again this week, but a heated discussion at the Fed's policy meeting this week might increase the likelihood of a rate cut in the coming months. The US president is putting a lot of pressure on Fed Chair Jerome Powell to lower borrowing rates. Powell may also encounter many dissents this week from officials who wish to help the stagnating job market. But Powell and a majority of policymakers would want to wait for more data. Fed members are eyeing data to better understand the impact of tariff on consumer prices. Sarah House, senior economist at Wells Fargo, said, even as we don't see any change in the policy rate, I think we see hints that we are at a turning point in the policy path. But of course, most of the committee doesn't seem there yet. I think they're still wary of what happens with inflation regarding these tariffs. Interest rate futures show investors are betting on likely rate cuts at the next meeting in September. Fed watchers will be listening to Powell for anything that helps ratify that view. The rate decision lands in the middle of a week, jam-packed with key economic data, including a monthly jobs report due on Friday. Economists expect the jobs report to show a slowdown in the hiring in July as uncertainty around Trump's trade policy continued to weigh on the outlook.
By a quarter of a percentage point to a range of 2.
Go ahead.